Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MΑORI Plus on your devices.
1, 2, 3, go!
No mai, haere mai, welcome to the final day, day 4, session 6, the Aotearoa Secondary School Swimming Championships here in Tamaki Makaurau. It's been a great event so far, some more great performances. My name is Stephen Ken, thanks for joining us. Last night, some really good records. We had the 100 butterfly, Kento Wangford breaking the 15-year New Zealand record. The very next race, Michael Chen taking that record off him. So some really good swims there by those two young lads. The 200 freestyle, we also saw 4 New Zealand records. Jonty Howland, Quinn Pike, Riley Sayer and Charlie Dickinson. Some really good 200 freestyles to finish our evening. We then now move to our last session, some more exciting races to be done. We start with our 4x50 relays, the 200 individual medley, some more 4x50 relays, and then our last event, the splash and dash, our 50 metre freestyle individuals. So some really good racing to finish off our national championships here for the secondary schools. You know, also they'll be vying for that top school and college, so vying for those points in this last session. So good luck to all the athletes here. Have a great day.
Sport is about more than just a game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
Welcome back. First of all, this morning we have a special award. A huge thank you to everyone who entered the sponsor giveaways this week. It's been fantastic to see all the nominations and hear about the people who are making a difference. Firstly, we welcome Ronelle Henning from Bailey's to present the All Together Better Award. All you had to do was tell us why your team is #AllTogetherBetter. We were looking for teams that embody the spirit of unity, teamwork and dedication. This year's winner goes to the Catlins Area School. The Catlins Area School embodies what it means to be altogether better. Despite being a team of just 2 swimmers from a small rural school, they support each other through every training session, every race and every challenge. Travelling the length of the country to compete takes commitment, resilience and teamwork. And they prove that a great team isn't defined by numbers. Their spirit, determination and unwavering support for one another make them deserving of this award. Congratulations, the Catlins Area School. And now we will introduce, for the last time, our technical officials. Welcome to the pool deck. Let's give them a warm welcome, everybody. They've done a great job this week, making our event possible with all their great volunteerism. Our key officials for the morning, the referee for the men, Glennis McKenzie. Referee for the females, Erin Jenkins. Our starter for the men, Karen Wilkinson. And our starter for the female, Jason Hamlin. And our technical director this week has been Gavin Iron. Thank you, officials. We'll be back after a short break for our first of our relays.
What makes sailing with Baileys altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home we sail. Enhancing and lifting the energy of your home to achieve the best possible result. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Baileys, altogether better.
The Ignite Freshwater Swim Fest is coming this summer. A swim festival for every swimmer and home to 3 national championship events. Choose your challenge with distances from 250 metres through to the ultimate 10-kilometre swim, plus a team relay. Join us at Pupuke Moana, Lake Pupuki, on the 13th and 14th of February. Whether you're chasing a title, taking on a new challenge, or completing your first open water swim, this is your swim festival.
Welcome back, day 4, session 6, our last session here at the 2026 New Zealand Secondary School Swimming Championships. To start off this morning, we have the 4x50 freestyle. For the men, we have 3 finals. Final number 1 in 3, Lindisfarne College A, 5, Wentworth College A. Wentworth College with a slight lead over here over Lindisfarne in this first final of the junior men's 4x50 freestyle. Lindisfarne College A team 151.45. Take out the first time final. Final number 2, in 1 is Tauranga Boys C team, 2 is Tauranga Boys A team, 3 Aquatic College, 18-4, Hamilton Boys, 18-5, Pinehurst School, B team, 6, Palmerston North Boys High School, A team, 7, Lister College, A team, 8, Lindisfarne College, B team. Aquatic College leading this one through the 100 metre, 125. This is final number 2 of 3. So trying to lay down a good performance here in the second final. Hamilton Boys coming through there on that 25 metres though. Aquatic College, 147.24, take out final number 2. Final number 3, 0 Tauranga Boys B team, 1 Nelson College A, 2 Auckland Grammar A, 3 Mount Albert Grammar, 4 Westside Boys High School A, 5 Rangitoto A, 6 Kings College A, 7 Pinehurst A, 8 Maclean's College A, 9 Rangitoto B. Rangitoto A just over King's College at this stage. Third position, Auckland Grammar A. Into the last 50, Rangitoto, King's, Auckland Grammar. A battle here for the silver and bronze. Rangitoto A, 138.4. Grammar snakes the second position over King's College. There's those official results. Rangitoto, Grammar, then Kings. We move now to the junior female 4x50 freestyle 3 finals. Final number 1 and 3, Wairarapa and St Matthews A. 4, Epsom Girls Grammar A. 5, New Plymouth Girls High School 18. Epsom Girls Grammar School into the water. New Plymouth Girls High School. Georgia Myers, it's her birthday today. Happy 14th to Georgia in lane number 5. Swimming for New Plymouth Girls High School. Epsom Girls, 58-1 at the 100. Happy birthday to Georgia. $50 meters left for Epsom and New Plymouth. Wairarapa and St Matthews into their last 50. Great to have a bit of a combination of a team there to make up a relay. Epsom Girls 155.89. New Plymouth Girls 155.8. Sorry, 201.69. And Wairarapa 211.22. That was final number 1. 2 more finals to go. Final number 2, junior female 4x50 in 0 St Margaret's A, 1 Palms North Girls High School, 2 Central Hawke's Bay College A, 3 St Cuthbert's College, 4 Whanganui High School A, 5 Gisborne Girls High School B, 6 Woodford House A, 7 Maclean's College B, 8 Napier Girls High School A. Down here in lane number 0, St Margaret's A team having a good swim. Bit of outside speed to start our morning here in our junior female relay. Good touch on the wall there from St Margaret's. In lane number 3, St Cuthbert's having a good swim as well. Lane 4, Whanganui High School. But still, lane 0, St Margaret's. There into the water first for the last 50. Then St Cuth's. Then Whanganui. St Margaret's A out of lane 0, 151.38. Second was St Cuthbert's. Third, Woodford House. That was final number 2 of 3. 1 more to go. St Margaret's with the lead at this stage. Final number 3 of the junior female 4x50. 0, Rangirudu. In 1, Mount Albert Grammar A. 2, St Andrews College A. 3, Rangitoto A. 4, Dyson School for Girls A. 4, Aquinas College A. 6, McLean's College A. 7, Gisborne Girls A team. And 9 is Burnside High School A team. Gisborne Girls leading this one through. Bronze medalists in the 8x50. So they know they've got some speed. McLean's College and Aquinas College all up there at this stage. 2 legs to go in this 4x50. Very even touch. McLean's has the slight lead by 0.02 of a second. Who can find a bit of something here? This is a great relay by lanes 5, 6 and 7. Aquinas A, Gisborne Girls. Aquinas College A, Gisborne Girls A, Rangitoto snakes the bronze. But, however, from the second final, St Margaret's A team from final number 2 takes the gold in a 151.38 from lane 0 in final number 2. Congratulations, St Margaret. Make sure you check the Swimify website and app to see those full results there. We'll be back after a short break for the 200 individual medleys.
It's time for action. We are working to reduce the impacts of climate change, side by side with nature, with each other, through research, investment and practical innovation. Because nature is not a resource, it's a collaborator. Nativa, leading with nature.
Ocean Swim Fiji. 5 days in paradise. 3 stunning swims. 0 worries. It's your ultimate swimcation. Full inclusive packages with everything taken care of. A sellout bucket list event creating lifelong memories. With limited spaces, don't delay. Head to oceanswimfiji.com and book today.
Welcome back. Session 6 here in Tamaki Makaurau. Moving to event 51, the 200 individual medley for men. We have 12 time finals. First of our finals in 2 is Kaysen from St Peter's College. 3 is Toby from Francis Douglas Memorial College. 4, Ryan from Auckland Grammar. 5, Austin from Westlake Boys. And 6 is James from Mount Hutt College. Ryan Wu, Auckland Grammar, 2:31.82. Good improvement from his entry time. Well done, Ryan. Final number 2, Zeri Felix from Mount Roskill Grammar, 1 Oscar from Kristen School, 2 Alex from Havelock North High, 3 Brian from Mount Maunganui, 4 Lucas from Tauranga Boys, 5 is Case from Kaitaia, 6 is Jason from Botany Downs, 7 Jack from Tauranga Boys, 8 is Will from Tauranga Boys, and 9 Ruben from Hamilton Boys. Jason Zhao, 2:25.73. Entry time 2:32.41. Well done, Jason. Final number 3 of 12, 0 Angelo from Christchurch Boys High, 1 Mason from Papamoa College, 2 Jaden from Christ College, 3 is Kobe from Whangaparoa College, 4 Stephen Zhang from Wentworth College, 5 Aaron from Christian School, 6 Easton from Alwini Junior, 7 is Hayden from Santa Maria College, and 9 is Aaron from McLean's College. Steve Zhang from Wentworth, 2:21.78. Went in with a 2:27 in the program. Congratulations, Steve. Good PB there. That was final number 3. Final number 4, 0, 0. 0 is Reed from Stratford High School. 1 is Finn from Rototuna High School. 2, Ghislaine from John Paul College. 3, Levi from Aquinas College. 4, Dylan from King's College. 5, Isaac from Pinehurst. 6, Ethan from Mount Elmet Grammar. 7 is Lucas from McCain's College. 8, Sean from Pinehurst School. 9, Shane from Hamilton Boys High. Lucas Wong takes out final number 4, 2:20.58. Final number 5 and 0, Jackson from New Plymouth Boys High. 1 is Luke from Bethlehem. 2 is Isaiah from ACG Stratharland. 3, Johnny from Mount Elmet Grammar. 4, Max from Aquinas College. 5, Jackson from Liston College. 6, Josh from Wellington College. 7 is Junu from Auckland Grammar. 8, Phoenix from Tatterdale High. And 9 is Georgian from Auckland Grammar. We have a disqualification, event 51, heat 4, lane 1. Jackson Rowlands at 2:15.86, went in with the entry time of 2:24. Well done, Jacko in lane 0. Final number 6 of 12 in 0, Clement from Rangitoto. 1 is Austin from Pakuranga. 2, Connor from Mount Albert Grammar. 3 is Bishop from ACG Strathallan. 4, Lachlan from Hamilton Boys High. 5 is Osbert from Pinehurst School. 6, Austin from King's College. 7, Maxwell from Palmerston North Boys High. 8, Alexis from Mount Albert Grammar. And 9, Alex from Burnside High. Osbert Goo, 2:10.41 to take out final number 6, the 17-year-old. Final number 7, 200 individual medley. And 0 is Ryan from Auckland Grammar. 1 is Charles from Christchurch Boys High. 3, Max from St. Paul's Collegiate. 4 is Yin Cheng from Auckland Grammar. 5 is Oscar from Whangaparoa. 7 is Sonny from Pinehurst. 8 is Noah from Rotorua Boys High. 9, Hayden from Mount Albert Grammar. Max Cryer, 2:11.98, taking out final number 7. 2:17 his entry time. Well done, Max. .200 individual medley for men, final number 8 of 12, the 13 years top seeded. In 0 is Henry from St. Peter's College, 1 is Lenny from Long Bay College, 2 is Ning from Hamilton Boys High, 3 William from Long Bay, 4 is Reagan from Kristen, 5 is Matthew from Christchurch Boys High, 6 is Xavier from Mount Albert Grammar, 7 is Austin from Dilworth, 8 is Mario from Kristen, and 9 is Javier from Whangmata Area School. Reagan Liang from Kristen School leading this one through the 100-metre mark, 103.06. Williamson, 105.3. Looks to be some breaststrokers starting to make their way through the field here. Matthew Kello from Christchurch Boys making his way up towards the 3rd position. Liang from Kristen holding firm in the lead at this stage. Sun in 2nd. Kello has come through to the 3rd place position at the end of this breaststroke. Coming through to the finish now. Reagan Liang, 2:14.14, takes out the 13-year-old seeded final. Williamson 2nd, Matthew Kello in 3rd. Check the Swimify website and app for all the age group results as we go through to find our medalists. Lots of good personal bests popping up this morning here in session 6. .14-year-old top-seeded finalists. In 0 is Tristan from Liston College, 1 Fletcher from Tauranga Boys, 2 is James from Auckland Grammar, 3 JK from Wentworth, 4 is Zachary from Burnside High, 5 Kento from Botany Downs, 6 Oscar from Westside Boys, 7 Jesu from Long Bay, 8 Jonathan from Rangitoto, 9 is Aidan from Taradale. Kento going through in a 26.38. Broke a few butterfly records this week. So utilising that speed here in his 200 individual medley. Looking to chase him down now will be Zach Horton. He's had a good week from Burnside High. Wangford in the lead at 58.5 through the 100 metre. Still Kento Wangford with a commanding lead over this 14-year-old top-seeded final. Had a birthday during this meet, so day one broke a 14-year-old national record. Yesterday broke a 15-year-old national record, but then was broken again by another 15-year-old, so a good meet here from Kento. Swimming for Botany Downs, 2:07.29. Fifteen years top-seeded final. In 0 is Dominic from Kristen School. 1, Alvin from Rangitoto. 2 is Michael from Kristen. 3 is Henry from Rangitoto. 4 is William from Christchurch Boys. 5 is Michael from St. Kennigan. 6 is Lewis from Palmerston North Boys High. And 8 is Henry from King's College. Michael Chen, the 100 butterfly national record holder. Having another strong swim this morning. Swimming here for St. Kennigan College. Swims out of the Parnell Club. The national record for everybody at home in the 200 IM is held by Kevin Zhang, 2:02.86. That's a fast 200 IM time for 15-year-olds. Michael Chen putting in a great race here. His entry time, this program, 2:10.92. I think he's going to really destroy that one. 2:07.88 for Michael Chen. Our top-seeded 16-year-olds. 0 is Donald from ACG Parnell. 1, Alex from Pangaparawa. 2, Charlie from Christchurch Boys High. 3, Danny from King's College. 4, Declan from Wellington College. 5 is Luo Jingji from Wellington College. 7 is Sebastian from King's. 8 is Tyler from Auckland Grammar. And 9 is Jaden from St. Peter's, Cambridge. Declan Broadfoot holding on to the lead here in this 200 IEM. His teammate, Chen, also from Wellington College, who's got this back end 50 here. Chen working hard on the 7th 25 to get up next to his teammate. Broadfoot holding on at this stage. It's going to be a tight finish here in our 16-year-old 200 individual medley. Broadfoot gets there over Jen, 205.02 to 205.05. Well done, Jen's great racing. Good battle, teammates, schoolmates, mates. Final number 12 of 12, the 17-19 years top seeded. In 0 is Ryan from Mahurangi. 1 is Samuel from Maclean's. 2, Owen from Marangitoto College. 3, Soren Wells, Burnside High. 4, Namanje Long Bay. 5, Eric from Palmerston North Boys High. 6, Zach from Tauranga Boys. 7, Hosea from Hamilton Christian School. 8, Bradley from ACG Parnell. And 9 is Aidan from Maclean's College. Nemanja Markovic, 2:05.39 to take out our 12th final. Czech swimmer five for all the results. And our medalists, some good 200 individual medleys from our men as we move to our multi-class men. Multi-class men, 200 individual medley in lane 4, Jonty Howland, Fielding High School, and 5, Harrison Sincock, Rolleston College. Good race here in our multi-class male 200 IM. Jonty Howland, SM6, having a really good breaststroke leg here from Fielding High School. He went away to the Trans-Tasman Tri-Nations in Perth in July. He had a really good competition over there. Good to see him here at our secondary schools nationals. The 16 and under New Zealand record for 200 individual medley for SM6 is 3:14.36. His entry time 3:17.79. See if he can get close to that one. Harrison from Rolleston College is SM19 classification. His entry time 3:58. So he's going to absolutely destroy that personal best. Good job there from Jonty. 3:17.06. So it looks to be a little personal best from his entry time. And Harrison a 3:26. Down from a 3:58. That's a huge PB. Well done, boys. Moving now to event 52, the 200 individual medley for the women. We have 11 finals. Final number 1 of 11. In 2 is Kimberly from McLean's College. In 4, Esther from Fielding High School. And 6 is Tasman from Napier Girls High School. Good battle here in final number 1 of the women's 200 individual medley. Lane 2, Kimberly Gow, 2:46.56. Taking out final number 1. Final number 2 in 0 is Indigo from Takapuna Grammar. 1, Ellie from Dunstan High. 2, Charlie from Mount Maunganui. 3, Angela from ACG Sunderland. 4 is Zoe from Tauranga Girls. 5, Indigo from St. Peter's School, Cambridge. 6 is Jasmine from Pakuranga College. 7, Sophie from Mount Maunganui College. 8, Cheyenne Ying from Hillcrest High. And 9, Mackenzie from Whangarei Girls High. Indigo Woodfield, 2:38.97 to take out final number 2. Entry time 2:42.69. Well done, Indigo. Final number 3 in 0 is Paige from Mount Maunganui. 1, Olivia from Dyson School for Girls. 2, Phyllis from St. Kennigan. 3, Eva from Barradine. 4, Elizabeth from Newlands. 5 is Phoebe from Freiburg High. 6, Madison from St. Dominic's. 7 is Renon from Otamatai. And 9 is Beth from Aquinas College. Elizabeth Yang taking out final number 3, 2:35.68. 5-second improvement from her entry time. Well done, Elizabeth. Final number 4 of 11. In 0, Alexandra from Birkenhead College. 1, Annalise from Otago Girls High. 3, Tamara from Palmerston North Girls High. 4, Gerard from McLean's College. 5, Zoe from Whanganui High. 6, Alexis from Whangarei Girls High. 7 is Mika from Pukekohe High School. 8, Cara from Whangarei Girls High School. And 9, Millie from the Catlins area. We have a disqualification, event 52, heat 1, lane 2. Lane number 4, Gerard Chan from Maclean's College, 2:35.38. Good improvement. Takes out final number 4. .200 individual medley. Final number 5 and 0 is Dora from Queen Margaret College. 1, Rena from Rangitoto. 2 is Annabelle from St. Ignatius. 3, Samantha from Hillcrest High. 4, Imogen from Takapuna Grammar. 5, Mackenzie from Queen Margaret College. 6, Madison from Western Springs. 8 is Paikea from King's College. And 9, Ayla from ACG Strathallan. We have a disqualification, event 52, heat 3, lane 6. Battle in the outside of the pool here in final number 5. Dora Chen in lane 0. And Paikea from King's College in lane number 8. Who's that going to be? It looks to be lane 0. Dora Chen, 2:33.61. A good performance from the outside lane there. Her entry time was 2:38.5. 5 seconds. Well done, Dora. Event 52, women's 200 individual medley, final number 6. In 0 is Molly from Roncalli. 1 is Ava from Barradine. 2, Margaret from Woodford House. 3, Harriet from Nelson College for girls. 4, Indy from Rangirudu girls. 5 is Renee from Tauranga girls. 7 is Riley from Whanganui High. 8 is Phoebe from Woodford House. 9 is Hannah from ACG Parnell. Indy leads 2:28.91 to take out final number 6. We have a disqualification, event 52, heat 5 at lane 1. Final number 7, the 13 years top seeded in 0 is Summer from Papamoa. 1, Ariana from Santa Maria. 2, Catherine from Epsom Girls Grammar. 3, Olivia from ACG Parnell. 4 is Hannah from Otago Girls High. 5 is Calicia from St Andrews. 6, Coco from Kristen. 7, Harriet from Scots. 8 is Ruby from Sunrise Christian School. And 9 is Riley from Mount Maunganui. Harriet McCarty, lane 7, leading this 200 IM for the 13-year-olds. Scott's College, she's been having a great weekend here at our National Aquatic Centre. Can she hold on in this 200 IM? Second to last individual race. Can she find another level down here? Lane number 2. Catherine Bates having a good swim as well. But it is McCarty, 2:27.19. The entry time was 2:34.9, so it's a great swim. Lots of green time showing up on our scoreboard here. Hopefully means lots of personal best. Well done. That was our 13 years top seeded final. Our 14 years top seeds, and 1 is Catherine from Dyson School for Girls, 2 Amelia from Mount Maunganui, 3 is Hana from Mount Aspiring, 4 Sophia from Christchurch Girls High, 5 is Ziba from Whanganui Girls, 6 is Evelyn from Maclean's College, 7 is Soyo from Botany Downs, 8 Maddie from Rangidudu, and 9 Isabella from Rangitoto. Hanakani, Mount Aspiring, leading this 14 years seeded time final. Remember to keep an eye on Swimmer 5 for all the results from all the ages. Looks to be also Ziba Bunker from Whanganui Girls having a good swim in lane number 5. And lane number 2, Amelia McEwen. They've been sharing some medals this weekend. Bakani with 35 metres left to swim. McEwen, though, having a storming 7:25 here in lane number 2 from Mount Maunganui. She's found a little bit of energy here in session number 6. A great freestyle leg here from Amelia McEwen. Really strong performance, a 31.3 to finish for a 2:24.71. Her entry time was 2:28.82, 4-second improvement. Well done, Amelia. Moving now to the 15-year-old seeded final. In 0 is Sophie from Sacred Heart Girls College. 1, Serena from St. Peter's, Cambridge. 2, Chanel from Kristen School. 3 is Amber from Rangitoto. 4 is Hope from St. Cuthbert's College. 6 is Olivia from St. Margaret's College. 7, Amelia Rose from Albany Junior. 8 is Belanca from Napier Girls High. And 9 is Emma from Wentworth. Good battle appearing here in our 15 years final. Hope Wang, Amber Lynn, Chanel Huang trying to chase them down in this breaststroke leg. St. Cuthbert's, Arangi Toto and Kristen, so all nearly touching together, but Hope Wang with a slight lead after the breaststroke. Hope Wang, 2:21.58. Amber Lynn, 2:23.2, and Chanel, 2:25.35. Final number 10 of 11, the 16 years top seeded. And 0 is Marnie from Sacred Heart Girls. 1, Nicola from Cambridge High. 2, Emma from New Plymouth Girls High. 3 is Charlotte from Iona. 4, Laura from Rolleston College. 5 is Violet from Freiburg High. 6, Lara from Burnside High. 7 is Alyssa from ACG Tauranga. 8 is Amy from Rangirudu. And 9 is Layla from Kirikiri. Laura Menzies starting off her morning well, going through in a 1:03. Charlotte McLaren from Iona College trying to chase her down in this breaststroke. From memory, I think Charlotte maybe won the 200-metre breaststroke, so look to see if she can come back on Laura in this third 50. Menzies, McLaren, then to Violet Carter. Laura Menzies, 2:20.85 to take out the 16-year-olds. Still doing the mahi here on session 6. Laura Menzies, 2:20.85 to take out that one, the 17 to 19 years final. Final number 11. In 1, Addison from Tuako. In 2 is Leah from Botany Downs. 3, Rio from Gisborne Girls High. 4, Alex from Glendowie. 5 is Paige from Central Hawke's Bay. 6 is Paige from Waikato Dyson School. 7 is Kaylee from Westside Girls High. And 8 is Elliot from Ashburton College. Alex McIntosh leading this one from Paige Stringer and Paige Franklin through this breaststroke leg of the 200 individual medley. McIntosh looking strong in this last 5 metres. Into her freestyle. Franklin moves to second. Stringer holding third. McIntosh 2:21.37 to win the final. Number 11, Paige Franklin, 2:25.8. Rio comes through for the bronze, 2:27.7. Check Swimify for all the results though and the medal placings. That was final number 11 of the women's 200 individual medley. Official results there. We now move to event 152, the 200 individual for medley multi-class women. In lane number 3, we have Melanie Rose Metcalf from Rangiora High School and 4, Ruby Stace from Marion College. Ruby Stace, SM13, turns at 1:40.87. The Marion College athlete, and turning also at her 100-metre mark now, Melanie Rose from Rangiora. Ruby's entry time 3:32.63, and Melanie's is 4:23.00. Ruby with 50 metres left to swim in her 200 IM. Ruby Stace 3:29.89. It's a 3-second improvement from her entry time. Well done, Ruby. The 13-year-old from Marion College. Melanie Rose on her last 25 metres now. .4:23 was her entry time. I think she's going to beat that well and truly. 4:14.00. Well done, Melanie. Melanie Rose there. Great swim from our individual medley swimmers. Great high five from our multi-class athletes. Well done. Good 2 personal best there. We'll go to a short break before we're back with our medal presentations of our first 2 events.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through a tough time. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others getting involved with it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
Welcome back to our last session here at the Aotearoa Secondary School Swimming Championships. The first of our medal recipients this morning We'll be starting off with the 4x50 freestyle men's juniors. The bronze medal went to Jasper, Desmond, Austin and Henry from King's College 18. The silver medal, Ryan, Leo, Timothy and James, Auckland Grammar School 18. And our gold medalist and champions, Henry, Alvin, Johan and Grayson, Rangitoto College 18. Well done, had some great racing here to start off our morning. Moving now to the 4x50 freestyle women's junior medalists. The bronze medalists. Lola, Brooke, Sophie and Charlotte, Gisborne Girls High School 18. Our silver medalists from Aquinas College, Mila, Addison, Greer and Evie. Congratulations. And our champions and gold medalists, Olivia, Charlotte, Gemma and Lily, St. Margaret's 18. Taking that one out from the time final number 2 in lane 0, the outside smokers. Well done to our relays there. We move now to the 200 individual medley for men. The 13-year-old medalists. The bronze medal, Matthew Callow from Christchurch Boys High. The silver medal, William Sun from Long Bay. And our gold medalist, Regan Liang from Kristen. Our 14-year-old medalist in the 200 IM, Oscar Dunn from Westlake Boys, gets the bronze. The silver medal, Zachary Horton, Burnside High. And from Botany Downs, the gold medal, Kento Wangford. 15 years medalists, the bronze from Kristen and Dominic Barden. The silver medal from Palmerston North Boys High, Lewis Ives. And the gold medal from Christchurch Boys High School, William Kello. "16 years medalists, the bronze from King's College, Danny Sun. The silver medalist from Wellington College, Luo Jingji Chen. And the gold medal from Wellington College, Declan Broadfoot. "17 to 19 years, the bronze medalist from Pinehurst, Osbert Gu. The silver medalist from Palmerston North Boys High, Eric Wong. And our gold medalist and champion from Long Bay, Nemanja Markovic. Our multi-class men 200 individual medley. The silver medal from Rolleston, Harrison Simcock. And our gold medalist was Jonty Howland from Fielding. Our female medalist now, 13 years. The bronze medalist from St Andrews, Felicia Purcell. The silver medalist from Epsom Girls, Catherine Bates. And gold medalist from Scots College, Harriet McCarty. "14-year-old medalists, the bronze from Mount Aspiring, Hanakani. The silver medalist from Whanganui, Ziva Bunka. And our champion and gold medalist from Mount Maunganui, Amelia McEwen. "15-year-old medalists, the bronze from Kristen Chanel Huang. The silver medalist from Rangitoto, Amber Lynn. And our champion and gold medalist from St Cuthbert's, Hope Wang. Well done, girls. The next is our 16-year-olds. The bronze from Freiburg High, Violet Carter. Our silver medalist from Iona College, Charlotte McLaren. And our gold medalist and champion from Rolleston College, Laura Menzies. 17 to 19 years medalists, the bronze from Gisborne Girls High School, Rio Sasamoto. Silver medalist from Central Hawke's Bay, Paige Franklin. And our gold medalist and champion from Glendowie College, Alex McIntosh. Multi-class medalists now for the females. The silver medal, Melanie Rose Metcalf from Rangiora. And our gold medalist and champion, Ruby Stace from Marion College. Congratulations, athletes, there from our medals so far this morning. Thanks to our presenter, Matt. And we'll be back for more with our 4x50 freestyle and 50 freestyles.
Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Quick scroll, one tap. Ka mau, kua uru mai koe.
Hey, I don't know.
Tō mātou reo.
Kia au te MΑORI, te MAORI, kia au.
Tō mātou puku hohe.
A lot of eggplant emojis there, my
Tō mātou tirohanga. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MAORI Plus on your devices.
Welcome back. Second half of session 6. We move now to event 53, the 4x50 freestyle for men seniors to finals. Four by 50 men's, 0 Francis Douglas Memorial, 1 Mount Maunganui College, 2 Tauranga Boys, 3 Pinehurst School, 4 King's College A, 5 Hamilton Boys B, 6 Wellington College B, 7 Auckland Grammar A, 8 Gisborne Boys A, 9 Auckland Grammar B. Pinehurst A leading this one at the 100-metre mark. Jacob Parker in the water in lane 0. Francis Douglas, it's his birthday. Well done to Jacob being hit for his 17th, racing for his quarter, Francis Douglas, but it is Pinehurst at the moment. Pinehurst, Tauranga Boys A team. Tauranga Boys taking the lead now in this first time final of our senior men's. Tauranga Boys A, 138.5. Pinehurst second, Wellington College. Francis Douglas in lane 0. Once again, happy birthday, Jacob Parker. Happy 17th. That was final number 1. Final number 2, 0 Hamilton Boys A, 1 Rangitoto A, 2 Palmerston North Boys High, 3 Wellington College A, 4 Westlake A, 5 Mount Albert Grammar A, 6 Burnside High A, 7 McLean's A, 8 Christchurch Boys, 9 Rotorua Boys A. Good battle here already. 23-3-6 there, lead off for Palmerston North Boys High. Wellington College looking like they really want this 4x50 men's. Attack coming now from lane 6. Wellington College, Burnside High and Hamilton Boys in lane 0. Good battles all round. Keep an eye out for lane 6. Burnside High, lane 0, Hamilton Boys, but it is Wellington College. Hamilton Boys, Burnside High, Palmerston North Boys. Who's got this last 50? Zero, Hamilton Boys second. Palmerston North coming back to third. Wellington College will take the win here. Easily, 134. Burnside Snakes the silver. Palmerston North Boys the bronze. Some great racing here to start the second half of session number 6. Right on Wellington College. We'll just wait for those official results though. Lots of relay changeovers there for our officials to watch. Hopefully all safe. There it is, well done. Wellington, Burnside, Palmerston North Boys High. Now to the female seniors, 2 finals. Final number 1 in 0 is Sacred Heart Girls College, 1 Otago Girls A, 2 St. Peter's Cambridge, 3 Mount Maunganui College A, 4 Villa Maria College A, 5 Westlake Girls A, 7 Pinehurst A, 8 Tauranga Girls College A, 9 Epsom Girls Grammar. Tight at the first 50 there. Now Maunganui with a slight lead over Otago Girls. Otago Girls into the lead. Second position looks to be Westlake Girls. Otago Girls into the water, 50 metres, very tight for the second position in this relay. Big shout out to lane 8. Maddie, her 17th birthday as well from Tauranga Girls. But at this stage, Otago Girls throwing it down here in final number 1. Can anyone catch them up here? Fight for the second position. Otago Girls, 151.15. Mount Maunganui Girls in Villa Maria. Well done, and a big shout out lane number 8 to Maddie. Happy birthday from Tauranga Girls. Final number 2, senior female. 0, Rangitoto A. 1, Palmerston North Girls High. 2, Ranginudu A. 3, Mount Albert Grammar A. 4, Dyston School for Girls A. 5, Dyston School for Girls B. 6, Mount Albert Grammar B. 7, Waikato Dyson A. 8, Botany Downs. And 9, Woodford House. 1:51.1 was the winning time from final 1, Otago. We might just have to wait for the end result here. Scoreboard not quite working for us at this stage. In lane 3, Mount Albert Grammar School with the slow lead. Keep an eye out. Botany Downs are having a good one in lane 8. Very close indeed. Mags and Botany. We're back with our scoreboard working now. Mags with the slight lead over Botany. Ranginudu in 3rd at this stage. Last swimmer into the water. Mags, Botany, Palmerston North Girls High coming into it now. Rangitoto Girls trying to make their way into a medal position. Mags, Botany, who's got the finish? It's going to be tight here. Mount Albert Grammar. 0.08 of a second over Botany, and Rangitoto snakes the bronze from lane 0. Congratulations to the Mags 18. Here's those official results. But it will be Mount Albert, Botany and Otago Girls will get that bronze medal from final number 1. Check swimmer 5 for the results. We'll be back after a short break for the 50 freestyle, our last event of our championships. Day 4, session 6 here, Aotearoa Secondary Schools Championships. We move now to the individual 50 freestyle. For the men, we have 28 time finals. Lane 2 is Henry from Stratford, 3 Alexander Hamilton Boys, 5 Oscar from Green Bay, 6 Thistle from Hamilton Boys, and 7 Levi from Lindisfarne. Oscar, 31.91. Well done, mate. Taking out final number 1. Final 2, 0, Austin from St. Paul's. 2 is Sadat from St. Kennigan. 3, Winston from Mount Aspiring. 4, Charles from Westlake. 5 is George from Lindisfarne. 6, Lucas Tauranga Boys. 7, Grayson Palms North Boys Side. 8, Leon Whitworth. 9, Owen Kuranui. Outside smoker there, Owen from Kuranui takes out final number 2. 27-4. Final 3, 0, Charlie from MΑORI. 1, Carter from Palmerston North Boys Side. 2, Jarek from McLean's. 3, William from Aquinas. 4, Tommy from St. Paul's. 5, Caleb from Wellington College. 6, Luca Thames High. 7, George Lindisfarne. 8, Oscar Lindisfarne. 9, Reeve New Plymouth Boys. William, 28-8, taking out final number 3. We have a disqualification, event 55, heat 1, lane 3. Final 4, 0, Ali from McLean's. 1, Joshua Wentworth. 2, Dylan Auckland Grammar. 3, Kairangi from Francis Douglas. 4, Ethan ACG Parnell. 5 is Lewin from Westlake. 6, Mason Papamoa. 7, Ryan Auckland Grammar. 8, Connell Lindisfarne. 9, Matthew Tauranga Boys. Mason, 27-32. Final 5, 0, Charles from St. Paul's. 1, Connor Auckland Grammar. 2, Nicholas Wentworth. 3, Wilson Hauraki Plains. 4, Rory Liston. 5, James Mount Hart. 6, Chris Rangitoto. 7, Cyrus Mount Albert. 8, Tinky from Mount Aspiring. 9 is Jack from Kings. Outside smoker, Jack, 28-03. Final 6, Sinzera Etney from Gisborne Boys. 1, Kyle Pinehurst. 2, Ben Liston. 3, George Hastings Boys. 4, Alexander Tauranga Boys. 5, JC Campion. 6, Henry McLean. 7, Hunter St Andrews. 8, Mario from Kristen. Henry, 27.83. Final number 7 and 0, Toby from Francis Douglas. 1, McAuley from Tauranga Boys. 2, Juan from Central Hawke's Bay. 3, Logan Hamilton Christian. 4, Austin from Westside Boys. 5, Austin Dilworth. 6, Jack Tauranga Boys. 7, Kaysen, St. Peter's College. 8, Leroy from St. Patrick's. 9, Carlos from Central Hawke's Bay. Leroy, 27.26 to take out. Final number 7, we have a disqualification, event 55, heat 5, lane 2. Final 8, 0 Dylan King's College, 1 Rocco King's College, 2 Kian Hodeki Plains, 3 Zane Hillcrest, 4 Hunter Hodeki Plains, 5 William St. Kinnigan, 6 Jaden Christ College, 7 Sebastian Christian School, 8 Alex from Havelock North High, 9 Jihu Mount Albert Grammar. Zane Prinsloo, 26.54. From Hillcrest. Great improvement from his entry time. Well done, Zane. Final 9-0, Jonah Palmerston North Boys High, 1 Desmond Hutt Valley High, 2 Angelo Crossage Boys High, 3 is Thomas Lindisfarne, 4 Duyun Roncalli, 5 Javier from Whangamata, 6 Brian from Mount Maunganui, 7 Isaac Pinehurst, 8 Tamati from St. John's, and 9 Caleb from Nelson. Desmond, 27-1. Final 10, 0 Liam from Lindisfarne, 1 Fergus from Palmers North Boys Side, 2 Lawrence Tauranga Boys, 3 Matthew Ashburn, and 4 Maxwell Palmers North Boys. 5 is George from St Andrews, 6 is Kieran from Wakatabu, 7 Paul from Avondale, 8 Aaron from Kristen, 9 Lucas from Tauranga Boys. Maxwell, 25.95. First one under the 26 barrier. Final 11, 0 Harrison Gisborne boys, 1 Easton Albany Jr., 2 Max Aquinas, 3 Frank Hamilton boys, 4 is Ty from Linfield, 5 Caleb from St Ignatius, 6 Kaio from the Catlins area, 7 is Kalaine from John Paul, 8 Archie from Lindisfarne, 9 is Noah from Northcote. Max Page, 26.93 to take out final 11. Final 12, 0 Charles, Mount Maunganui, 1 Felix, Mount Roskill, 2 Liam, Cambridge High, 3 Patrick, Auckland Grammar, 4 Max from Aquinas, 5 Ruben at Rangitoto, 6 Mateo from Hillcrest High, 7 Liam Fielding High, 8 Archie Christ College, 9 is Isaac from Montpellier Catholic. Patrick Grove, 26.88 to take out final number 12. Final 13 of 28, 0 Ethan Wellington College, 1 Levi from Aquinas, 2 Joshua Pinehurst, 3 William Christian, 4 Riley Rangitoto, 5 Finn is Hodaki Plain, 6 Daniel St. John's, 7 is John from Central Hawke's Bay, 8 Stephen from Tauranga Boys, 9 Oscar from Kristen. Side finish there, but it is Levi Dixon, 26.41 to take out final number 13. Final 14, 0 Hugo from St. John's, 1 Tobin from Mount Maunganui, 2 Thomas Aquinas, 3 Jacob Francis Douglas, 4 Sam from Nelson, 5 Tane from MΑORI, 6 Yusuf from Rangitoto, 7 Lorenzo Thames High, 8 Reed from Stratford, 9 Lewis from Rolleston. Hugo takes that one out. From lane 0. 26.18. Happy birthday to Jacob Parker. Final 15, 0 is Will from Pubs North Boys High, 1 Samuel Westside Boys, 2 Kobe Westside Boys, 3 Evan McLean's, 4 is Quinn Francis Douglas, 5 is Bruce from Pinehurst, 6 Hayden from Sancta Maria, 7 Daniel Wellington College, 8 Shane from Hamilton Boys, 9 is Sam from Mahurangi. Evan Fang, 25.98. That was final number 15 of 28. Keep checking Swimmer 5 for the overall results. Final 16-0, Phoenix from Taradale, 1 short from Pinehurst, 2 Steve Wentworth, 3 Luan Rangatuto, 4 Titus Sonangtuto, 5 is Tamati from Rotorua, 6 Braden from Pinehurst, 7 Anaru from Rotorua, 8 is Max from Kristen, 9 is Aiden from Lincoln High. Got some outside smokers here, 0 and 8. Lane 8 and Max 25.58 to take final number 16. Final 17-0 is Guy from Wellington College, 1 Braden from Havelock North, 2 Kyle from St John's, 3 Sam Shivnan, Tauranga Boys, 4 Noah from Nelson, 5 is Lou from Bethlehem, 6 is Todd from Tauranga Boys, 7 Ryder Kristen, and 8 Finbar Nelson College. Tom Crisp, 25.84 to take out final 17. Final 18-0, Lucas from McLean's, 1 Edward from St Andrews, 2 Jacob Rathgill, 3 Hayden Mount Albert, 4 Charles from Christchurch Boys, 5 Ryan from Rosmini, 6 is Javan from Karamu, 7 is Boston from Fielding High, 8 Eddie is from Whanganui, and 9 Daniel from Whangamata. Daniel Lewis, 25.53 from lane 9. Whips one out of the bag there for Whangamata. Final number 19 and 2 is Dylan from Western Heights High. 4 is Asher from Aotea. 6 is Hosea from Hamilton. 7 Johnny from Mount Albert. 8 Logan from Bethlehem. 9 Jiajun from Auckland Grammar. Asher Thomas 25-8 to take out final number 19. Final number 20, 0 is Murray from Oriwa, 1 Charlie Tauranga Boys, 2 Thomas Christ College, 3 Bishop ACG Strathallan, 4 Mako from Gisborne Boys, 5 is Rangjan from Pinehurst, 6 Nathan Francis Douglas, 7 Sebastian Kings, 8 Joshua ACG Strathallan, 9 Nico from Tauranga Boys. Sebastian snakes it there from Shivnan, 24-8-7. Final 21-0, Kaito, Gisborne Boys High, 1 John St. Paul's, 2 Bradley ACG Parnell, 3 Charles Palms North Boys, 4 Connor from Burnside, 5 Jackson New Plymouth Boys, 6 is Will from McLean's, 7 Lucas from Westlake Boys, 8 Taryn from Mount Albert, and 9 Sheldon from Tauranga Boys. John Park, 24-14. Final number 22, 0 Ethan Wentworth, 1 James Francis Douglas, 2 Mitch from Tauranga Boys, 3 Harry ACG Tauranga, 4 Troy from Westlake Boys, 5 Kingston from Hodaki Plains, 6 Maxwell from Gisborne Boys, 7 James from Nelson, 8 Zachary from St Kennigan, 9 Lachlan from Hamilton Boys High. Mitch Ellis, 24-01, almost down into the 23 zone. We're getting closer. Final number 23, 0 is Sam from Palmerston North Boys High, 1 Charlie Christchurch Boys, 2 Ewan from Wellington College, 3 Felix Aotea, 4 Riley from Mount Maunganui, 5 Oscar Whangaparoa, 7 Alex Whangaparoa, 8 Sam Mount Albert Grammar, 9 The Rook from Palmerston North Boys High. Felix Thomas, 24-14. Thirteen-year-old top-seeded and 0 Xavier from Mount Albert, 1 Lenny Long Bay, 3 Arthur Liverstone, 4 William Long Bay, 5 Lucas Pinehurst, 6 Ning from Hamilton Boys, 7 Emmett St John's, 8 Charlie from Hastings Boys, 9 Tyrone Christchurch Boys. Lane 4, Williamson looks to have the little lead here in this 50. 25-9. Czech swimmer 5 for all the results of their age groups. That was the 13 years top seeded. $14 years, 0 Fletcher Tauranga Boys, 1 Leo Auckland Grammar, 2 Joanne Rangatoto, 3 James Auckland Grammar, 4 Grayson Rangatoto, 5 Zachary Burnside, 6 Seamus Orewa, 7 Connor Kelson Boys, 8 Dylan Green Bay High, 9 Board from Massey. New Zealand record for Grayson Coulter, 23-45. The old time of 23-55 from Liam Curling. Grayson Coulter now owns. Rangitoto College athlete. Congratulations, Grayson, a 14-year-old age group New Zealand record. 15 years, 0 Dominic Christian, 1 as well, Marlborough Boys, 2 Case Whangapura, 4 Charlie Wellington, 5 Everett St John's, 6 Noah, Rotorua Boys, 7 Manson, HCG Sunderland, 8 Henry from Warangatoto, 9 Henry from Kings. Charlie Dickerson in the relay earlier in the week, 22.77. Ooh, just outside his relay time of 22.83. Lots of good 50s and records here by Charlie Dickerson. Just outside his own New Zealand record there. Years final, 0 Samosi, Hamilton Boys, 1 Daniel, Auckland Grammar, 2 Jack, Wellington College, 3 Hilton Christchurch Boys, 4 Donald, ACG Parnell, 5 Leo, Rotorua Boys, 6 Rick, Bonnie Down, 7 is Connor from Mount Albert, 8 Luke, Shirley Boys, 9 Jin Yang, Pukekohe, Donald Tian with a dominating performance in here, 22.55, just outside Michael Pickett's time of 22.31, but a great swim nonetheless from Donald Tian there from ACG Parnell. (17 to 19 years, 0 has came from Hamilton Boys, 1 Sean Rangatoto, 2 Alex Burnside, 3 Sam from Lindisfarne, 4 Rui from ACG Parnell, 5 Kane from Hutt Valley High, 6 Eric Palms North Boys High, 7 Cole Auckland Grammar, 8 Cornet Hamilton Boys, 9 is Daniel from McLean's, Rui Ho coming through here, 22.17, a New Zealand record, Rui Ho. The old record was Taiko Torbjornsby of 22.33. 22.17 is now the new 17 years New Zealand record. Some great performances here on our last session at our National Aquatic Centre, representing their schools. Great swimming there from our men. Now move to our multi-class men. Multi-class men 50 freestyle and 2 Tristan from Awatapu, 3 Harrison Rolliston, 4 is Joel from Dilworth, 5 is Charlie from St. Paul's, and 6 is Jonty from Fielding. Joel Watkins, 27.00. Charlie, 28.04. Tristan, 34.09. Harrison, 35.2. And Jonty, 39. Some good performances there to finish our multi-class events for the men. There's those official results. As we move now to the 50 freestyle for the women, we have 33 time finals. Final number 1 in lane number 3, Olivia from Palmerston North Girls High, 4 Amina from Carmel, and 5 is Esther from John Paul College. Amina, 31.48 to take out final number 1. Well done. Final number 2, 0 Chloe from Hodaki Plains, 1 is Ida from Berridine, 2 Elena Medameda, 3 Helena from John Paul, 4 Mila from St. Paul's, 5 Greta from Hodaki, 6 Imogen from St. Cuthbert's, 7 Georgia from New Plymouth Girls, and 8 is Fern from Rotorua Girls. Imogen, 31.99 to take out final 2. Final 3, 0 Bridget from Mount Albert, 1 Amy from Maclean's, 2 Sophia from Otamatai, 3 is Lillian from Palmerston North Girls, 4 Asha from Mount Aspiring, 5 Brianna Solway, 7 Faith from Maclean's, 8 Emily from Berridine, and 9 is Peyton from Iona. Lane 0, Bridget, 31.11 to take out final number 3. Well done. Final 4, 0 Phoebe from Sacred Heart, 1 is Georgia from Napier Girls, 2 Hayley Waikato Dyson, 3 Marley from Central Hawke's Bay, 4 Charlie Takapuna Grammar, 5 Ava Central Hawke's Bay, 6 Ava Grace from ACG Strathallan, 7 is Ivy from Dunnyburg, 8 is Chloe New Plymouth Girls High, 9 Kayla from Westlake Girls. Ava, 30.83. Final 5, 0 Isabel Ashburton, 1 Maddie Woodford, 2 is Megan Whangamata, 3 Sophia Waiarapa, 4 Trinity Mount Albert Grammar, 5 is Kate from Central Hawke's Bay, 6 Jessica City Impact Church, 7 is Chloe from Bethlehem, 8 Georgia from Nelson College, and 9 Amelia from Hillcrest. Good battle down here at the bottom of the pool. Megan just gets there over Maddie, 30.21 to 30.32. Good racing in final number 5. Final 6-0, Sophie from Taupo, and 1 is Charlie from Mount Maunganui, 2 Sadie Mount Albert, 3 Bailey Taranaki, 4 Lily Rotatuna, 5 Isabel St Hilda's, 6 Olivia de St Matthews, 7 is Lily St Mary's College Wellington, 8 Olivia from Rosehill College, 9 Olivia from Gisborne Girls High. Isabel 30.49 takes out final number 6. Final 7-0 Dana from Mount Roskill, 1 Zara from Dyson School for Girls, 2 Riley Stratford High, 3 Zara from Rangitoto, 4 Indigo from Takapuna Grammar, 5 Esther from Fielding High, 6 Caitlin from Napier Girls High, 7 is Jaslyn from Maclean's, 8 Emma from Maclean's College, and 9 Addison from Timaru Girls High. Lane 3, Zara takes out the win there in the final number 7. Their entry time was 31.20. The first sub 30.29.5. Well done, Zara. Final number 8, 0 Phoebe from Freiburg High, 1 is Caitlin Freiburg High, 2 Ashley Queen Margaret, 3 Billy from Taranaki, Dyson, 4 Jada from Wairarapa, 5 Hayley from Spotswood, 6 Alicia Evandale, 7 Sophie Mount Maunganui, 8 Lexi Westlake Girls High, 9 Cassie from Barradine. Lane 9, 29.64, Cassie Bray. Final 9, and 0 Mackenzie Whangarei Girls, 1 Scarlett St Peter's School, Cambridge, 2 Charlotte from ACG Stratharland, 3 is Ocean from St Dominic's, 4 Abigail Central Hawke's Bay, 5 Francesca Long Bay, 6 Lavina from ACG Sunderland, 7 Alyssa from Scots College, 8 Annabelle from John Paul, and 9 Lucy from Dunstan High. Alyssa Gu, 29.33, takes out final number 9. Final number 10, and 1 Kaya from New Plymouth Girls, 2 Sophie from Havelock North, 3 Renan from Ultimata, 4 Kate from Villa Maria, 5 Caitlin Rolston, 6 Hannah from Solway, 7 Molly from Villa Maria, 8 Catherine Woodford, and 9 is Ali from Dunstan High. Close finish there, but it's Sophie Barnes, 30.02. Final 11 and 0, Harriet Whanganui. 1 is Erin from Ashburton, 2, Stella Dyson, School for Girls, 3, Alyssa from Taranaki Dyson, 4, Sienna Dyson, School for Girls, 5, Olivia from Sacred Heart Girls, 6 is Yuna from McLean's, 7, Isabella Carmel, 8, Madeline from St. Matthews, 9, Hannah from MΑORI. Yuna Lee, 29.17. Final 12. 0 is Sarah from Tipuki High. 1 Ella from Waikato Dyson. 2 Giselle from John Paul. 3 Hannah from Lincoln High. 4 Kylie from Wesay Girls. 5 Blakey, New Plymouth Girls High. 6 Grace from Havelock North. 7 Sophie from Freiburg High. 8 Ava from Barradine. 9 Riley from Mount Maunganui. Ava, 29.60, takes out final number 12. Final 13 of 33. And 0 is Cheyenne Ying, Hillcrest High. 2 Ella from Palmerston North Girls High. 3 Lani from New Plymouth Girls High. 4 Josie from Marion. 5 is Alexandra from Rangirudu. 6 is Brianna from Gisborne Girls High. 7 is Grace from Palmerston North Girls High. 8 Gabriella Barradine. And 9 Alyssa from McLean's. Lani Johnston, 29.36 to take out final number 13. Well done, Lani. Final 14, 0 is Brooklyn from Hastings Girls. 1 is Nee from Hillcrest High. 2 Alexandra Birkenhead. 3 Sophia from Aotea. 4 Elijah from Central Hawke's Bay. 5 is Zoe from Gisborne Girls High. 6 Isla from Henderson High. 8 Mila from Carmel College. Mila Jackson, 28, the first of our 28s this morning, 28.74. All out on their lonesome there in lane 8. Well done, Mila. Final 15, 0 Mackenzie, Queen Margaret College. 1 Tasman, Napier Girls High. 2 Carries from Melbourne Girls. 3 Gabriella from Tauranga Girls. 4 Gabby from Havelock North. 5 Emma from St Kentigin. 6 Lily from Tauranga Girls. 7 is Samantha from St Paul's Collegiate. And 9 is Angela from ACG Sunderland. Emma, 29.11 to take out final 15. from St. Kennegat. Final 16 in 0 is Catherine from Epsom Girls Grammar, 1 Zoe from Tauranga Girls, 2 Liliana from Nelson College for Girls, 3 Rebecca from Glendowie, 4 Cloris from St. Cuthbert's College, 5 Aria Rangidudu Girls, 6 Kathy from St. Margaret's, 7 Annabelle from Burnside High, 8 Nayuka from Epsom Girls, and 9 Talise from Tuako. Catherine Bates, 29.22 to take out final 16. Final 17 in 0 is Yana from Tolago Bay area. 1 is Maya from Thames. 2 is Catherine from St. Andrews. 3 Lily from Villa Maria. 4 Elsie from Rangitoto. And 5 is Luciane from Papakura High. 6 Jasmine from Pakuranga College. 7 Kimberly McLean's. 8 Alexandra Rathkill. 9 is Summer Rose from Rangitoto. Lane 0, Jana, 28.8, just over Lusuane in lane number 5. Some good racing there in final number 17. Final 18 in 0, Nikita from Tukapuna Grammar. 1 is Saimi from John Paul College. 2 Elizabeth Newlands College. 3 Ava Barradine. 4 Tamara Palmerston North Girls High. 5 Samantha Hillcrest High. 6 Poppy from Oriwa. 7 Sophia from Kristen. 8 Alicia from Palmerston North Girls High. And 9 Alyssa from ACG Tauranga. Tamara, 28.47. Takes out final 18. Final 19 in 0, Ava from Columba. 1 Madison Western Springs. 2 Hillary from Villa Maria. 3 Haley from Epsom Girls. 4 is Mia from Forest View High. 5 is Sophie from Villa Maria. 6 is Indigo from St. Peter's, Cambridge. 7 Ashley from Hillcrest High. 8 is Sophie from Gisborne Girls High. 9 Coco from Kristen. Lane 9, Coco, 28.47, the outside smoker there. Well done, Coco. That was final number 19 of 33. Final number 20 in 0, Samantha Pinehurst. 1 Addison Tuako. 3 Chrissy Craighead. 4 Olivia Dyson School for Girls. 5 is Annabelle Taradale High. 6, Unis from Rototuna. 7, Emma from Taradale High. 8, Selena from Hutt Valley High. 9, Robin from Northcote College. Annabelle 28.62. Lane number 5 takes out final number 20. Final 21 and 0 Millie from St Andrews, 1 Lexi Sacred Heart Girls, 2 Madeline from St Margaret's, 3 Jasmine from Rangitoto, 4 is Amelie from Dyson School for Girls, 6 Bella from Gisborne Girls High, 7 Gemma from St Margaret's, 8 Kayla from Taranaki Dyson, and 9 is Rina from Rangitoto. Jasmine 28.63 takes out final number 21. Final 22 and 0 is Layla from Kitty Kitty, 1 Sophia from Maris, 2 Sophia from Santa Maria, 3 Tasman from Pukekohe, 4 is Quinn from St Peter's School Cambridge, 5 Olivia from Otago Girls High, 6 Amy from Lincoln High, 7 Charlotte from Westlake Girls, 8 Charlotte from Campion College, and 9 is Ava from Mount Albert Grammar. Olivia McBride and Quinn Pike gets a New Zealand record for the S19 there. Well done, Quinn. Final 23 and 0 is Ashley St Paul's Collegiate, 1 Kaylee Fielding High, 2 Pike Gear from King's College, 3 Charlotte from Gisborne Girls High, 4 Brooke from Gisborne Girls High, 5 Garrett from Maclean's, 6 Kaylee from Westlake Girls, 7 is Emma from New Plymouth Girls, 8 Chelsea from St Cuthbert's College, 9 Phoebe from Woodford House. Charlotte Willoughby 27.98 to take out final number 23. Final number 24 of 33, 0 is Violet from Freiburg High, 1 Yu from Burnside High, 2 Alicia from Cambridge High, 4 Kira from St Andrews, 5 Madeline from Tauranga Girls, happy birthday, 6 is Ayla from ACG Strathallan, 7 Pippa from Villa Maria, 8 Tessa from Waikato Dyson, 9 Christina Central Hawke's Bay. Yu Tang 28.58 to take out final number 24. Happy birthday to Madeline in lane number 5. Final 25 and 0 Chanel Kristen School, 1 loan from Tuaco, 2 Sophia from Mount Elmer Grammar, 3 Greer from Aquatic College, 5 Grace from Rangidudu, 6 Rebecca Samuel Marston, 7 Renee Tauranga Girls, 8 Jasmine Hodaki Plains, 9 Charlotte Aquatic College. Outside smoker here, lane 0, Chanel Huang, 26.89. Throwing it down for that later 15-year-old seeded final. Make sure you keep checking Swimify to see your overall results. 26.89 there. Final number 26. 0 is Amy from Rangidudu, 1 Marnie from Sacred Heart Girls, 2 Addison from Aquinas, 3 Annalise Otago Girls, 4 Tiana Woodford, 5 is Fiona from Sancta Maria, 6 Maggie from Palmerston North Girls, 7 Cara from Whangarei Girls, 8 Scarlett from Solway, 9 Maya from Epsom Girls. Maggie, 27.69. From Palmerston North Girls High. Breaking that 28 mark. Well done, Maggie. Final 27, 0 Megan from St Andrews, 1 Ella from Woodford, 2 Hope Wang from St Cuthbert's College, 3 Ashley from Botany Downs, 4 Isabella from Otago Girls, 5 Lani from Rangitoto, 6 Yeti from Wellington East Girls, 7 Olivia from Dyson School for Girls, 8 Billy from the Catlins area, 9 Dora from the Queen Margaret College. Isabella, 28.07, takes out final 27. Final number 28, 0 Indy from Rangidudu, 1 Jessica Mahurangi, 2 Lily from St Margaret's, 3 Benson Mount Albert Grammar, 4 Olivia from St Margaret's, 5 Renee from Glendowie, 6 Catherine from Dyson School for Girls, 7 Kaya from Woodford, 8 Rio from Gisborne Girls, 9 Mila from Aquinas. Van Zin McManus, 27.37 to take out final number 28. Moving now into our seeded finals. First up, the 13 years, final 29. 13 years final, 0 Ecclesia St Andrews, 1 Anna Dyson School for Girls, 2 Ruby Sunrise Christian, 3 Charlotte from St Margaret's, 4 Sarah from Scots, 5 Mila from Columba, 6 Harriet Scots, 7 Olivia HCG Parnell, 8 Lily from Takapuna Grammar, 9 Lola from Christchurch Girls High. Sarah Joe, 26.71. To take out this 13 years seeded final. Well done, Sarah from Scots College. $14 years top seeded, 0 Charlotte from Burnside High, 1 Ivy Otago Girls, 2 Iliana Hamilton Girls, 3 Sophia from Mount Aspiring, 4 Marley Mount Albert Grammar, 5 Indy from McLean, 6 Sophia from Christchurch Girls High, 8 7 Amelia Mount Maunganui, 8 Georgia Rose Hill, 9 Madison St Dominic's. Looks to be lane number 5, Indy Herbert. It is 26.71 from Indy Herbert to take out the 14 years seeded final. $15 years seeded, 0 is Lola from Gisborne Girls High, 1 Georgia Ultimatai, 2 Tanita from Villa Maria, 3 Jay from Crimson Global, 4 Octavia Barradine, 5 Mackenzie St Cuthbert's, 6 Rachel from Ponganui, 7 Alyssa from Samuel Marsden, 8 Camille Queen Margaret, 9 Catherine from Pukekohe. A close race here in our 15 years final. Alyssa by from lane 7, 26.09. Takes the win from Samuel Marsden Collegiate. Well done, Alyssa. By 0.02 of a second. Stoked about that one. Well done, Alyssa. $16 years final, 0 Sydney to Rangirudu, 1 Celia Gisborne Girls High, 2 Muddy from Epsom Girls, 3 Arissa from Pinehurst, 4 Ruby from Sacred Heart, 5 India from Rangitoto, 6 Lily from Palmerston North Girls, 7 Scarlett Taradell, 8 Sophie Mount Maunganui, 9 Zanya from Leighton. Ruby from lane 4, 26.74 to take out the win here in the 16 years from Sacred Heart in Napier. Well done, Ruby. Good improvement from your entry time as well. Hopefully a first sub 27. $17, 19 years, 0 Isabel Wellington East, 1 Macy Mount Albert, 2 Madeline Waimea, 3 Cameron Aquinas, 4 Kitty Bonnie Downs, 5 Talia Pukekohe, 6 Kayla Barradine, 7 Jessica Hamilton Girls, 8 Bianca Mount Albert, 9 Carmen Queen Margaret. Looks to be Talia Cheney coming through here, 26.10. Talia. Pukekohe High School, Talia, 26.10. Her entry time was a 26.26. Hopefully a little personal best here. Some great racing in our 50 freestyles. We have one more left for our championships. It is the multi-class 50 freestyle. Multi-class 50 free for women. In 2, Ruby from Marion. 3, Riley from Hodaki Plains. 4, Greer from Bayfield. 5, Emily from Fielding. And 7 is Melanie Rose from Rangiora. Greer, 30.82, right on the same time. Riley Sayer, a new New Zealand S7 New Zealand record. 34.6 was her old time. Let's wait for that official result there. But another New Zealand record to Riley Sayer, S7. Some great racing there from our multi-class and all our athletes here at the Aotearoa Secondary Schools Swimming Championships. Riley Sayer, 33.01. 1.5 second improvement on the national record. Well done to all of our athletes. Some great racing. We'll be right back. Officials, thank you so much for your hard work this week. You may leave the pool deck. We'll be back with some medals.
It's time for action. We are working to reduce the impacts of climate change because nature is not a resource, it's a collaborator. Nativa, leading with nature.
Hey. Sport is about more than just a game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
That's it for all our racing here at the Aotearoa Secondary Schools 2026 Championships here in Tamaki Makaurau. We're up to our medal ceremony now and also a special award. Just let the athletes get ready for those presentations. Just a quick wrap up there. Couple of good New Zealand records in that 50-metre freestyle. Grayson Coulter in the 14 years, a new New Zealand record, 53. Rui Ho in the 17 years, 50-metre freestyle. Quinn Pike in the S19 and Riley Sayer in the S7. So 4 New Zealand records in that half of the session. It's been a great week here. We'll be back for our medals shortly.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
The Ignite Freshwater Swim Fest is coming this summer. A swim festival for every swimmer and home to 3 national championship events. Choose your challenge with distances from 250 metres through to the ultimate 10-kilometre swim, plus a team relay. Join us at Pupuke Moana, Lake Pupuki, on the 13th and 14th of February. Whether you're chasing a title, taking on a new challenge, or completing your first open water swim, this is your swim festival.
Alrighty, we're up to a special award now for the Caltex Good Sport Award, which is awarded to a player, coach or manager for making a positive impact on those around them. Our Caltex Good Sport Award this year goes to Gerald Cunningham from Villa Maria College. Gerald is the definition of a good sport, a dedicated volunteer official. He goes above and beyond to ensure swim meets run smoothly, from officiating races to setting up and troubleshooting technical equipment. Known for his reliability, generosity and genuine care for the swimming community, Gerald supports athletes, coaches and fellow volunteers alike. His selfless commitment both in Canterbury and at national events makes him a deserving recipient of the Caltex Good Sport Award. Thank you very much, Gerald, for all your efforts. A massive thank you to Bailey's, Caltex, Apollo Projects, Nativa and Whakaata Māori for supporting this event. We now move to the medals. First of all, it's thank you to Andrea Dorba for presenting the medals in this part of the session. The 4x50 men's bronze medal goes to Palmerston North Boys High School, Eric, Charles, Thurak and Sam. The silver medal from Burnside High, Zachary, Connor, Soren and Alex. This is our senior men relays. And the gold medalists and champions, Luo Jingji, Jack, Declan and Charlie, Wellington College, take the gold medal in the 4x50 freestyle. Thank you, gentlemen. Move to the 4x50 female relay senior medalists. Our bronze medalists, Isabella, Olivia, Annalise and Ivy, Otago Girls High School 18. Our silver medalists, Kitty, Ashley, Soyo and from Botany Downs, the silver medal. The gold medal and champions, Marley, Macy, Bianca and Vanzen, Mount Albert Grammar School. Congratulations. Well done, ladies. We now move to the 50 freestyle for the men. 13 years medalists. The bronze from Mount Albert Grammar, Xavier Francis Simpson. The silver medal from Pinehurst, Lucas Wang. And our champion from Long Bay, William Sun. The 14-year-old medalist, the bronze, Seamus Avery from Orewa. The silver, Zachary Horton from Burnside. And the gold medal, New Zealand record 14 years, Grayson Coulter from Rangitoto. "15 years medalist, the bronze, Everett Williams from St. John College in Hamilton. The silver medal, Case Glenmeyer from Whangapara College. And the gold, Wellington College, Charlie Dickerson. "16 years medalists. The bronze medal from Wellington College, Jack McPhail. The silver medalist from Rotorua Boys High, Leo English. And our gold medalist and champion from ACG Parnell, Donald Tian. "17 to 19 years medalist, 50 freestyle, the bronze from Hutt Valley High, Kane Howard. The silver medal from Lindisfarne, Sam Skidmore. And our gold medalist and New Zealand age group record 17 years from ACG Parnell, Rui Ho. Our medalist now in the multi-class. Our bronze medalist from fielding, Jonty Howland. Our silver medalist from St. Paul's Collegiate, Charlie Alderton. And our gold medalist from Dilworth, Joel Watkins. Moving now to our 13-year-old female medalists. The bronze, Harriet McCarty, Scots College. Silver medal, Myla Duncan, Columba College. And the gold medal and champion, Sarah Cho from Scots College. Our 14 years medalists, the bronze from Hamilton Girls High School, Elietta Tukia. Silver medalist from Mount Aspiring, Sophia McClintock. And gold medalist and champion from Maclean's, Indy Herbert. "15 years medalists. The bronze, Jade Lyles from Crimson Global Academy. Silver medalist Octavia Marnie Berendine, and our gold medalist Alyssa Bai from Samuel Marsden. Our 16 years medalists. The bronze medal to Taradale's Scarlett Botts. Silver medal, Gisborne Girls High School, Celia Willoughby. And our gold medalist and champion from Sacred Heart College, Napier, Ruby Shisham. Our 17 to 19-year-old 50 freestyle finalists. The bronze from Aquinas College, Cameron Guthrie. The silver medalist from Botany Downs, Kitty Yamagami. And our gold medalist and champion from Pukekohe, Talia Cheney. Our multi-class medalists for the women's 50 freestyle. The bronze from Fielding, Emily Milani. The silver medal from Bayfield, Greer Holland. And the champion and gold medalist from Hodeki Plains and a New Zealand record, Riley Sayer. Righty. We now move to the ceremonies for the points. We'll be back after a short break with the points for overall and relays.
Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Quick scroll, one tap, kamo, kua uru mai koe.
Hey, I don't know.
Tō mātou reo.
Kia te MＡORI, te MAORI, kia
Tō mātou tuku hohe.
A lot of eggplant emojis there, my
Tō
friend.
mātou tirohanga. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Okay, we're ready for our point score. The top boys team for 2026, Auckland Grammar with 562. Well done, boys. The top female team, Waikato Dyson, 398 points. Making their way down poolside, Waikato Dyson. Top female team, 398 points. With an upside down sign. Well done, Tessa. Well done, Waikato. The top co-ed school for 2026 on 667 points, Rangitoto. Well done, Rangitoto, 667 points. The national co-ed champions for 2026. Now the overall para top kura is on 372 points, Fielding High School. Well done, Fielding. Now our top relay female team for 2026, Mount Albert Grammar. Well done, Mags. Top relay female. And now for the final award for the overall male relays, Wellington College. Some great relays from all the boys this week. Well done. Well done, Wellington College. That's it from us here at the Aotearoa 2026 Secondary Schools Championships. It's been a great week of racing, lots of New Zealand records to start our short course season for our athletes. Great to be representing their schools and colleges from across New Zealand. Thanks to Swimming New Zealand for hosting the event, and to all our officials, staff in the back room, our videographers, always getting some great shots, our photographers, doing all the mahi so we get to celebrate what we love, which is swimming here in New Zealand. See you next year, 2027.